Macerated oils are vegetable oils to which other matter, such as herbs, has been added. Commercially available macerated oils include all these and others. Herbalists and aromatherapists use not only these pure macerated oils, but blends of these oils as well, and may macerate virtually any known herb. Base oils commonly used for maceration include almond oil, sunflower oil, and olive oil, as well as other food-grade triglyceride vegetable oils, but other oils undoubtedly are used as well. Arnica, from the flowers or leaves of the Arnica montana, often uses olive oil as a base when used medicinally, or almond oil when used as a massage oil. Calendula, carrot, chickweed, comfrey, galangal, horse chestnut, linden blossom, marigold, meadowsweet, mullein, seaweed, St. John's wort. References